Good morning everyone. Today we are excited to present our project called Phytovision AI. Our project is designed to help people understand trees in a smarter and more meaningful way.
Okay, most people only see trees as part of their environment. However, many trees have hidden values such as medical properties, useful materials, and economic potential.
This inspired us to create the Phytovision AI, a system that allows users to scan a tree and instantly receive useful information about it.
And for your information, our goal is not only to identify trees, but also to help people discover the opportunities and benefits that every plant can offer.
The main objective of the Phytovision AI is to change the way people look at plants. We want people to see them not as ordinary trees, but as a valuable resource for innovation and the future.
Every tree has its own unique characteristic and potential. Some can be used in medicine, construction, food production, or even environmental conservation.
Our purpose is to ensure that no useful plant is ignored or wasted because of a lack of knowledge.
By providing accurate information, the Phytovision AI encourage people to appreciate nature and explore how plants can benefit both human and the environment.
The Phytovision AI makes learning about trees faster, easier and more interactive.
Students, farmers, and the public can use this technology to identify trees and understand their use within seconds.
This also promotes environmental awareness by encouraging people to protect trees instead of cutting them down without understanding their value.
We believe that when people recognize the importance of plants, they will make better decisions that support sustainability and future innovation.
In conclusion, the Phytovision AI is more than just a trees identification tool.
It helps people discover the hidden value of plants and understand their importance in our daily life.
We hope this project will inspire more people to appreciate nature and use technology to protect our environment.
Finally, it's over. And what can I say is, thank you for your attention. We hope our presentation has shown how the Phytovision AI can change the way we see plants.